Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series C++ coding in Arduino Mega. Guys, we are on lesson number 21 and I'm going to show you a character data type, that is CHAR, Arduino C++ in C++ programming. What does a character mean? CHAR means the char data type can store any number of character set. Okay. An identifier declared as the character becomes a character variable. Alright, the initials are written inside the single quote, not a double quote, in a single quote. Okay, the char type is often said to be an integer type. It is because the symbols, the letters, and so on, those are basically represented in memory by associated number codes, and that are only integers. Okay, remember this, that are only integers, nothing else. The size of the character data type is minimum of 8 bits. Okay, bits, minimum of 8 bits. We can use the byte data type for an unsigned character data type of 8 bits or 1 byte. So I am going to talk about unsigned and signed character data types at a later stage in the future videos. For now, I am going to show you how this char is used. So basically, the character a capital uppercase A, has an ASCII value of 65. So there is something called Ascii code, guys. So I can just show you a ASCII table here. So if you Google ASCII, ASCII code or ASCII table, it will show you tons of information for you. It's easy for you to fetch this information. But basically, this table represents the entire ASCII values and the code. So if we specify, say for example, uppercase A plus 2, it will have a ASCII value of 67, right? So that is how it maps. The ASCII values are pretty standard, nobody can change, and it starts from 0 to 255 as the maximum value, right? The syntax for characters, to use character in your Arduino is char, or any C++ IDE you can use, any compiler. Still you need to use char as your syntax. So for example, let me just show you with a small example in the IDE itself so that you guys can understand how it works. So for example, char, see, the color changes immediately. That means your IDE will detect the inbuilt function, which is char. Say var is nothing but a variable is equal to val. Okay, so here what we are trying to do is, the var is a variable and val the value assigned to the particular variable, right? So let's say char my variable, okay, my variable equals, in a single quote, remember single quote, okay, b, end with a semicolon, and then char my variable equals to 66 semicolon. Okay, now the character alphabets you need to type in a single quote, but the integer does not need a single quote. All right, both the value are, the 66 and the b are equal. You know, if you refer to the ASCII table which I showed you here, right, let me just show it to you again. If you refer to the ASCII table, the code number 66, where is 66? Let me, yeah, 66, right? So that it says the character is b, right, uppercase b. So this is how your character as a function or a method it works in C++ programming or in Arduino, guys. Try to understand this, make this foundation very strong. And if you need more information about ASCII table, tons of info are available in Google. You can just search ASCII table, you will get the details. Guys, I am going to get back to you soon in the next video with more number of data types. Until then, goodbye.